Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover, and I did this makeup look today because it's almost Valentine's Day, and let's just get started. So I'm not going to keep this intro too long. This makeup look is just going to be for the eyes. I did my base makeup off camera because I don't know why. I just didn't feel like filming it today because I basically did the same exact thing I did in my last video. But I don't want to keep you here too long, so if you're interested in how this look came together, you're in the right place. Just keep on watching. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this makeup look. I'm just going to pin back the hair. I have my base done already because I just want this to be focused on the eyes. And if I seem a little, let's say, down in this video, I woke up yesterday with a toothache. Thought it got better. It started to hurt right when I started the film, so I really don't want to have to go to the dentist, but if I have to, I have to. I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Anastasia eye primer. So it's been really nice to be back to filming. I am so excited to just create content again. So I'm gonna try to keep this hopefully simple. And I'm gonna be playing with the Blend Bunny, Glisten, and Lens makeup looks. It's a big collab. I'm gonna be playing with the eyeshadow palette and the wet liner palette. I'm gonna start with the shade 23. I don't have any nails on because while I was watching the Super Bowl, I was just picking them off and I just haven't felt like redoing them. I'm gonna start this all at the front. I'm gonna put this on my brow bone and I'm gonna put it on my inner corner and just make this kind of like my go-to like makeup look when I want to be like simple. I do like the white in this palette. I've said it before, I don't think Blend Bunny has the best white I've ever used, but it's better than most that I've encountered. I'm gonna take this pretty far all over the inner part of my eye. I'm gonna go into the shade Weird Earrings, and I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush, and this I'm gonna put all on the outer edge here. So it's gonna go from the pink to the white and just a very nice gradient, hopefully. It's okay if I get a little pink down here. I'm gonna blow this out pretty far. I've kind of done this style of makeup before, where I've done like a brown and then a white. That's like my go-to, and I just typically keep the white and switch out whatever color I'm using. And you don't have to do it as intense as I do it. I like really blown out makeup. I just feel like that's what makes me feel pretty, and that's what you want to do on Valentine's Day, is just feel pretty for yourself, not for anybody else. And honestly, when it comes to Valentine's Day, it's on a Friday. I'm actually off this entire week. I had my vacation time was expiring on the 18th, so I was like, you know what? I'll just take the time off. I have this week to kind of get caught up on filming and editing and posting and just trying to get back into the swing of things. I'm gonna dip into the white and just kind of mesh these together. I love that so much. So when I am filming this, it's the day after the Super Bowl. Thankfully, the Eagles won. Thankfully. It was kind of a disappointing game though, not gonna lie. Like, I'm glad the Eagles won, but I kind of expected it to be a closer game. The Chiefs played like crap. And that halftime show, Kendrick Lamar, so good. Anyway, I'm just adding that pink on my lower lash line. And I think I'm gonna go in with a small brush. I'm gonna go into the shade Bestie, which is a little bit of a deeper pink. I don't want a ton of this, just a smidge, just right on like the outer V. I'm also going to take a little bit on my lash line on the bottom, but really just focusing it on this outer edge. Going back in with that blending brush and the pink, I'm just going to start to blend this out and make it as blown out as I want. Now I'm going to go back in with the white, kind of touch it up and blend it onto the pink some more, and just make sure it's all nice and blended. I'm going to go into one of the shimmer shades in here. I'm just going to take just a smidge of it. It is like a shifty shade. I don't know if you can see the shift in the mirror. It's very pretty. I just want a little bit, like right where the pink and white mix. I'm also going to do the same on the lower lash line. And that's pretty much the eyeshadow. I don't think I'm going to do like a ton more. I do, however, want to play with the water activated liner and do the, like make some little hearts. I'll probably use the white, the pink, and maybe a bit of the red. I just have a very small detail brush. I'm going to start with, I think, the white. I don't want to do like a ton, just a couple little hearts just all around. Basically, if you just make like a V, you'll get like a pretty decent heart. Yeah, nothing too complicated. Okay, now I'm going to switch to the pink. Playing a dangerous game, I have my cup of water right next to my computer. My husband yells at me all the time for having liquids next to my electronics. I can't help it. It just happens. I'll do a couple more hearts. I love that so much. It's so simple, but like so cute. I'm gonna clean off my brush and I'm gonna go in with the red shade. I love this little palette. This whole glisten eyeliner is so good. I thought that people were just like exaggerating when they said just like how much better they are compared to like other brands. So good. So good. And they came out with colored mascaras, like new shades, and like I want them. I don't need them, but I would like them. I'm trying to make this a little symmetrical, but it's fine if it's not. I think I'm gonna do one more red down here maybe. Super simple but adorable. I do want to go in with a pink pencil, I think. I'm actually gonna go in with two. I have Insomniac from Colourpop and I have the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm gonna put Milk, you know, where the white is, and Insomniac with the, you know, with the pink. Hopefully this doesn't get everywhere. Lifted up some of the eyeshadow. Don't love that. Hopefully this Insomniac shade works. Oh yeah. I've had some Colourpop like eye pencils just be hit or miss with, you know, if they're gonna work for me that day. Today is a good day for Colourpop. Now, you could do a wing with this if you'd like. I think I might do like the babiest of wings, which I think I'm gonna try to go in with the Colourpop and Twilight Vampire Graphic Inks liner. I know I used like the green one in my first video back. I'm gonna try this red one because I haven't given this one a fair shot. Don't love that. This formula is just so weird. Alright, so what I think I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. I'm debating if I want to do a lash. Haven't decided. I will pick out a lip and then I'll be back to show you the finished look. But I really like how this looks. I feel super cute. Alright, and here is the finished makeup look and I feel so cute in this. It's an adorable look if I do say so myself. I think it is so fun and festive for Valentine's Day. I'm obsessed. So what I did to finish up my makeup for my eyes, I did go in with the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. This is just like a deluxe mini, or mini, whatever you want to call it. I actually quite like this mascara. I got it in Ipsy a couple months ago and I just recently tried it. It's not bad. It's not bad. And then my lashes are the AF94 Lash 08. It's kind of like the purple ones, which, you know, purple, pink, red, it all goes together. And then my lips are a combo of this lip liner from Blend Bunny, which I apologize, I do not have the name for it because when I bought these, they didn't have names on them and I don't know which one it's for. I use that to kind of darken up my lipstick, and the lipstick is Kissing Frenzy from Urban Decay. This is one of their Vice liquid lipsticks. It is a much brighter color, like that's what it was on my lips and that's what it is now. I didn't want it to be super bright, but I still wanted like the pink, so mixing the lip liner and this together, it just made a very nice combo in my opinion. Very happy with that, but yeah, that is what the color is supposed to look like and that is what I have going on. But yeah, this is the finished makeup look. All of my makeup details, including everything that I used on my face today, will be listed down below in case you're interested in that. But I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you out and finish up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you caught my last video, I did say that I'm gonna be uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So far, I think I can manage that. Maybe eventually I will add more videos in, but for right now, 3 videos a week seems like the most doable for me. If you want any more content, I am artistryxashh everywhere, and if you like book content, I am ashley.reads on TikTok, Instagram, and now on YouTube. But I think that covers everything. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're seeing this. Happy Valentine's Day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!